Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have an exciting topic to delve into security in distributed databases, focusing on access control and encryption. In this video, we'll explore the critical aspects of ensuring data integrity and confidentiality in distributed environments. So let's get started. Before we dive into security, let's quickly recap what distributed databases are. In a distributed database, data is stored across multiple physical locations or nodes. This architecture offers scalability, fault tolerance, and improved performance. However, it also introduces security challenges that we need to address. Imagine a multinational corporation with regional offices around the world. Each office handles sensitive customer data and must access and share it securely. This distributed setup demands robust security mechanisms to protect against unauthorized access and potential breaches. Access control is a fundamental security measure that regulates who can access specific data and what actions they can perform. It involves authenticating users and defining their privileges. Let's take the example of our multinational corporation again. Different employees have varying roles and responsibilities. The finance team should access financial data, while the marketing team might only need access to demographic data. Access control ensures that each team member can only access the relevant data. There are primarily two types of access control: discretionary access control, also known as DAC, and mandatory access control, also known as MAC. With DAC, data owners determine access permissions. In contrast, MAC enforces strict rules based on data classification and security labels, independent of the data owner. For highly sensitive data like government information, MAC is often used to enforce a need to know principle. Another widely used access control model is RBAC, that is role based access control. It grants access based on predefined roles rather than individual users. In our corporation, we can define roles such as manager, employee, admin, and each role would have specific access permissions assigned. This simplifies access management and reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Now let's talk about encryption, which is essential for securing data at rest and during transmission. Imagine sensitive customer data traveling over the internet between the corporation's offices. Encryption ensures that even if intercepted, the data remains unreadable and protected from malicious intent. There are two primary types of encryption: symmetric and asymmetric. In symmetric encryption, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. It's like having a single key to lock and unlock a door. Asymmetric encryption, on the other hand, uses a pair of keys, one for encryption and the other for decryption, similar to having separate keys for locking and unlocking. Now let's see how access control and encryption work together to secure data transfer in distributed databases. When a user in one office wants to access data from another office, the access control mechanisms verify the user's credentials and permissions. Once authenticated, the data is encrypted using secure channels like SSL TLS during transmission, ensuring its confidentiality. Apart from secure transmission, data at rest must be protected. Encryption ensures that data stored on disk remains safe from unauthorized access. In case of a data breach or theft, the encrypted data is useless without the decryption key. This is a critical safeguard against unauthorized access to sensitive information. And there you have it: security in distributed databases with a focus on access control and encryption. We've covered the importance of access control in regulating data access and the significance of encryption in securing data both in transit and at rest. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video helps you understand the crucial aspects of securing distributed databases. Stay tuned for more exciting tech topics. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs this knowledge, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Remember to keep your data safe and secure. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.